Oh my god, we're finally recording. That took me so long to set up. I'm still learning to use this new camera. By the way, I got a Canon 60 that I'm filming on now. What are we doing today? Great, I'm glad that you asked. I also just realized I don't even know if I'm in focus or if I'm probably not in focus. I'm gonna go. So what are we doing today? What is this shenanigans and why are you in some weird, badly lit kitchen? Well, this is my kitchen. We're gonna cook some food today. I needed to make a big batch of soup because I'm getting over a cold, and this soup I make all the time and it's full of good things and tastes good and it's good. So we're gonna make it. First off, you need a knife. Make sure it's sharpened. Mine isn't sharpened very well, so this is gonna be interesting, trying to cut everything. I need to just buy some new knives for when I'm living in the bus because these are not my personal knives. Oh. Wow, okay, so I already have some vegetables cut up from previous time cooking. Oh my god, okay, I'm so tired. I don't know how to. And as I have been cooking this recipe, it just has slowly evolved, and now I just use it as sort of like a fridge and pantry cleaner if I have a lot of vegetables that really need to be eaten. I am in no means a professional chef, but I like to think that I'm pretty good at cooking, and really, honestly, truly, YouTube has taught me how to cook. So, if you want to learn how to cook, like for reals, then I suggest going over to a channel called Brothers Green Eats, because they have taught me pretty much everything I know about cooking. But, you know, you just do what you can sometimes, and you make good stuff. Sometimes you make bad stuff. But really, the goal is just to make something edible, right? Oh, man. See, I don't think I really know how to chop up an onion because every time something weird and different happens. Maybe that's just because onions are onions. Also, I think I went about cutting this a little weird this time. Oh my god, my eyes. I'm starting to cry. Okay, resist. Pro tip, if your eyes start to water up from cutting onions, just try not to close your eyes for an extended period of time, because then it'll start to burn more.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so we got a pot. It's a big pot because I'm going to make a lot of soup. So, you want to take your pot, you want to set it on the stove. You want to turn it on to about 5 or medium to high. That's what you're going for. We're not just setting it and forgetting it, alright? Alright, next thing, put a little oil in it. I'm just using olive oil. I heard you're not supposed to use olive oil, but I'm using it anyways. Okay, we're opening the olive oil. Wow. Putting it in the thing. Wow. Great. Okay. I'm a very sporadic person when I'm cooking, so please forgive me, my friends. First thing we're gonna do is put in the onions, the ginger, and the garlic. You just put it in the pot. Good job. And then you stir it around and make sure it doesn't burn. So I'm going to put a little bit of turmeric in it. I just got it. So just add a few splashes of that. Some basil. Yeah, okay, that's awesome. Good to put a little splash in there, keep it, you know, start getting it to simmer a little bit, get all those flavors working. Salt. I use Himalayan salt, you don't have to. Salt it up. We're gonna put some pepper. So now we're gonna do the paste and the broth. Okay, so the paste is in there. We're gonna let it simmer a little bit, and we'll prep our broth. So this is the broth I'm using. It's just a vegetable broth that's in the form of a paste. So you take like a little dollop of this, put it in there with a bunch of water, and it makes broth. This stuff is awesome because it lasts forever, and it's just a lot easier than buying like boxes or cans of broth. It's a lot more efficient. Oh, that is simmering so nicely. This is gonna be so good. So messy, so messy. Okay, really quick. I'm gonna cut these potatoes up. Shit. Pour it in. Get some more. Next we're going to put some coconut milk in it, and we're going to turn it up to high simmer. Get a little hot. Oh, it's all solidified. Okay. Oh, I love coconut milk. You gotta work it out. Start to change forms. Oh no, that was such a fail.
Stuff to you once every 2 months. If you want to try the product, feel free to. You want your pop socket, don't you? I'm going to pick those right now. Let's get this thing. I got them in the randomizer.
I made some soup, and I am so tired at this point, but I'm so ready to eat this soup. It looks so good. So, I hope that you liked this video. If you did enjoy this video and you want to see more videos like this, I'd probably keep making them. So, let me know down below. Give it a like so I know that you like it, and share with your friends. I don't know. And, you know, subscribe so you can keep watching. Okay guys, I'll talk to you later. I love you. Have a good night. Enjoy your soup if you're gonna make some. It's pretty good. I'll talk to you later. Bye.